Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julian Ike, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, and sex and relationship tips. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly click the subscribe button. It's free. Help my channel to grow, support me, and as you do so, God bless you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. From the depth of my heart, I said thank you. God bless you. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe of how to renew the love between you and your partner. Is your partner not loving you the way he or she used to love you when you initially started? Is the love not there the way it used to be again? Is it no longer strong? Okay, I'm going to give you a bond recipe that will bond two of you together again. And if you are a single lady here, please don't use this on any married man. And if you're a single man, don't use it on any married woman. Please don't destroy somebody's home. Use it on your own, because if you try to use it on somebody's husband or wife, it will not work for you. So without wasting so much of your time, let's get started. So for this video, I'll be using rainwater. Okay, rainwater, the one that falls directly from heaven. So when you get your rainwater, like me, I personally make sure that I don't run out of rainwater, because it has really helped me in so many ways. So whether it's raining season or not, I always have my rainwater stocked. So get your rainwater. When you get your rainwater, keep it for 7 days. So for these 7 days, every day make your wish, say your prayer. Every day make your wish, say your prayer for that 7 days. Say what you want. Say what you want to see in your marriage, in your relationship. Talk to your God, talk to the universe, pray on it, say exactly what you want every day for 7 days. So on the 7th day, you get rice. This is rice. You get rice. You use the rainwater. Use the rainwater to wash your rice. Use it to wash your rice. After washing it, you pour it in a pot, in your cooking pot. So when you are, so it's here in the pot, then you will add the rainwater. Add the rainwater into the pot with the rice. When you want to make the rice, make the portion that you and your spouse can finish at once, just for you and your spouse. So you will now add into the pot. It's a very simple recipe. You will add a drop of honey, a little drop of honey inside the pot. Then the next thing you will add, here is my cinnamon powder. So you will add a pinch of cinnamon powder to it. Then cook it. When it's done, make any sauce of your choice. Any sauce of your choice. And when you are making the sauce, make sure that the water you are going to use to make the sauce, that you are going to use to boil your meat and everything, fish, whatever you are using, make sure that it's the rainwater that you are using. Here we don't need any other water. We only need rainwater to achieve the results we want. So when you are done cooking, you are done making your sauce, cut a portion for you and your spouse and eat it together. And if you and your spouse is not the type that usually eat together often, you can take your own portion and eat, and give him his own portion to eat. Do this and see how your spouse will begin to love you again, how things will begin to work out for good for two of you. There will be sweetness in your marriage, in your relationship. Even if there is a third party that has been an obstacle with this, it will help your marriage, your relationship to boost up and stand firm, with two of you loving each other. So that is it. It's as simple as that, but effective. So if you find this video interesting and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please help me support my channel to grow. Click the subscribe button. It's free. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you for watching.